Myself, Kushagra. I am studying in School of Scholars, Maradogri, Nagpur, in class 8th. My partner is
Myself, Spart Lali from 8B from School of Scholar Vanadamuri.
Imagine a world effortless security and the key are the thing of past. Introducing RFID door lock system, a cutting down edge modern access control.
So our project is tech-driven and compactly door lock system and its system uses RFID system and how it uses. First, take your card and scan it. Then door will open and automatically stop closed. First, take your card, scan it. Automatically it opens and after some time it will close. Key features of this project. First, secure and compact and it's protect from other and it fits very nice and it helps us.
Future potential. Uh, sorry. Future potential. This system can uh, be expanded with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity system, integrated with mobile app, or enhanced with fingerprint sensor for multi-layer security.
Thank you.
Thank you.